Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Google phone guys one-handed mode guys, how to use it. Friends, you want to use guys one-handed mode in your Google phone device. So friends, now let's see how to use one-handed mode and how to on it in Google phone device. Today friends we are going to talk about it. So first of all guys, go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, today guys we will talk about guys how to use one-handed mode in Google phone device. So guys, open your phone setting. After phone setting, we will scroll it. Friends, you can see guys to your phone system setting. The system setting guys, we will click here. So in system setting, friends, you can see language setting. Friends, you want to change the language, so you can change from here. Friends, you can see guys this gesture setting, date and time setting you want to change, so you can change from here. So guys, go on this gesture setting and guys scroll it. Friends, now you can find your one-handed mode setting is here. So guys, how to use? First of all guys, you will have to on get this shortcut button. So guys, we will click on this shortcut button. Then guys, you can see this icon will show this icon, and guys now how to use. So guys, you can see pull down the tab, pull down the top half of your screen so that it's easier to reach with one-handed guys. So how to use? So friends, you can see when we will do here, so we can use get this one-handed setting like that. So friends, you can see this half of a screen guy, we can use it in Google phone device. Friends, you can see half a screen guys. So we call it guys one-handed mode. So like that guys, you can use and you can on guys your one-handed mode setting in your Google phone device guys. Like that guy we can use. And friends, you want to exit, friends, you can see to exit, swipe up from the bottom of the screen or tap anywhere above the app. So guys, you can exit from here. And friends, you want to use, so guys click on one-handed mode shortcut, and guys we can use this one-handed mode setting from here in Google phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on and use one-handed mode in Google phone device. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video.